Today we're going to keep talking about the pericardium. That is the fibrous sac that sits around the heart. Now yesterday somebody asked, why do we have this? So this membrane, this tissue, it has fluid in between each of its layers that act as lubrication. The lungs also have this. It's called the pleura, and it's actually two separate layers. There's one near the ribs and then there's one over the lungs. And the reason for this is because our parts are moving, and when you have movement, you're going to get friction. And anytime you have friction, you're going to need lubrication, as you may know. Our tissues are relatively fragile, and if they were allowed to rub against each other, I don't know if you've ever rubbed a piece of meat. If you've done that, you can see that muscle frays pretty easily, and that's the same for lung tissue and everything else. If they were allowed to just rub against each other with no protection and no lubrication, they would start to break down.